Okay. Whoa, I wasn't ready.
Texas weather is no joke. Blazing heat, hailstorms the size of golf balls, and winds that can rip through your neighborhood.
But what if you could stop roof repairs forever? What if we told you that the Texas Proof roof is the last roof you'll ever buy? It's the exact roof we put on our own home.
We've lived through Texas storms ourselves. We've dealt with constant repairs, skyrocketing insurance premiums. So when we built the Texas Proof roof, we put it on our home first.
And that's why we trust this roof to protect our family and our home. It's built to handle the worst weather Texas can throw at it.
And it's more than just protection. Homeowners who switch to the Texas Proof roof could save on insurance premiums, lock in energy rates with solar upgrade, and never worry about repairs again.
We designed this for smart homeowners who want to protect their families, their homes, and their finances. And it's the same roof we trust for our own family.
We created the Texas Proof roof because we've lived through the stress. Roof repairs, skyrocketing insurance premiums, rising deductibles. We knew there had to be a better way.
This roof isn't just another repair. It's an investment in your future, and it's the exact roof we trust on our home. That's why we stand by it for yours. We're so confident in the Texas Proof roof that we're offering free, no obligation consultations right now. Click the link below to schedule your inspection today. Let us show you why this is the last roof you'll ever need.
It's time to get Texas Proof.
Let's go.